Welcome back, dear students. Kindly open page number 27 of your English grammar book. Exercise A, that is, complete the table. So here we are discussed about the singular and plural form. Singular जब हम किसी सिंगल चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं and plural जब हम किसी more than one चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, whether वो animal, person या thing हो सकता है. So here singular things are given and we have to change into plural form. लेकिन somewhere plural forms are given जिन्हें हमें singular form में change करना है. Now let us start doing the exercise. The singular form is story. So story will be changed to stories. STORIES. Story means एक story and stories means बहुत सारी stories. Now foot. Foot means only one single foot, but we have feet, that is two. When two foots are counted, they are going to turn into feet. FEET, feet. Now mares. We know that a horse has a female, that is mares. So it will be changed into mare, singular form. We are going to remove this S from here, mare. Now peahens. S is there, which means we are talking about more than two peahens. So the singular form will be peahen, PEAHEN. Now shelf. Shelf, that means we are talking about only one shelf. हम सिर्फ एक shelf की बात कर रहे हैं, but अगर हम एक से ज़्यादा shelf की बात करते हैं, it will be changed to shelves, SHELVES. Now monkey. We all have seen monkey. अब हम एक monkey की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन plural form में हमें one से ज़्यादा monkey की बात करनी है. So we are going to write MONKEYS. Now mice. We all have seen mouse in a house. So if we are talking about more than one mouse, एक से ज़्यादा चूहे की बात कर रहे होते हैं, तो we use a term mice. Plural form होता है mouse का mice, but singular form when अब एक चूहे की बात करते हैं, तो we are going to write MOU. Now let us move to the 8th one, that is family. Family क्या है? Family singular form है. और अगर हम बहुत सारी family के बारे में बात करते हैं, like your family, my family, we are going to change into families. So the answer will be FAMILIES, families. Now in the next one we are given geese. So geese is a plural form of goose. Goose is a duck like animal. So the singular form will be GOOSE, goose. Now wolf. We all have seen wolf. So here we are talking about one wolf, that is singular. But if we are talking about pack of wolf, like a group of wolves or more than one wolf, then we are going to use a term wolves, WOLVES. Now babies. We all have seen babies. They are very cute. So अगर हम babies means we are talking about more than one baby. Now if we want to talk about one baby, अगर हमें एक baby के बारे में बात करना है, the singular form will be BABY. Now leaf. We all have seen leaf. हम सब ने पत्ते देखे हैं पेड़ों के ऊपर. So जब हम एक की बात करते हैं, it will be leaf. लेकिन अगर हम बहुत सारी leaves की बात कर रहे हैं जो ट्री के ऊपर होती हैं, it will be leaves, LEAVES. Now batsman, MAN. Whenever there is MAN, जब भी हम MAN यूज़ करते हैं तो हम एक सिंगुलर मैन के बारे में बात करते हैं, लेकिन मैन को जब हम प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज कर रहे होते हैं तो इट विल बी men, MEN. So the answer will be batsmen, MEN, not MAN. Now handkerchiefs. Handkerchiefs, we all are having handkerchiefs. So here we are having more than one handkerchiefs. We used to call it hanky in a short form, but that was wrong. The correct one is handkerchiefs. So we are talking about singular. जब हम एक के बारे में बात करते हैं, it will be handkerchief, only handkerchief. We are going to remove this S from here. Handkerchief without S. We are not using S. Now lady. Lady means we are talking about one lady. हम किसी एक lady की बात कर रहे हैं. But plural form में we will use LADIES. Ladies means औरतें. Bee. We all have seen honeybee, BEEB. So we are talking about only one. But if अगर हमें plural के बारे में बात करना है, we will write S. So it will be bees. Now dictionary. We all have seen dictionary. Dictionary is word जहाँ पर हमें words के meanings मिलते हैं. So dictionary जब हम एक dictionary की बात करें, अगर बहुत सारी dictionaries होंगी, we are going to write dictionaries, NARIES. We are going to add DICTIONARIE. Now let us move to number 18, that is herd. Now what is herd? Herd means झुंड. सो वी हैव सीन अ लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल्स. कई बार हमने देखा है कि बहुत सारे एनिमल्स के एक साथ झुंड आ जाते हैं, ग्रुप्स आ जाते हैं. सो प्लूरल फॉर्म में वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड एन एस ओवर हेयर एंड इट विल बिकम herds. Now here we are having sheep. Sheep means भेड़, which is in plural form. Now in singular form also we are going to write sheep because it is that type of noun which can be used for both in singular form as well as plural form. sheep को हम singular form में भी sheep ही बोलेंगे और plural form में भी sheep ही बोलेंगे. Now the last one is hoof. एज यू हैव सीन हॉर्सेज, हम सब ने हॉर्सेज देखे हैं. तो हॉर्स के जो फीट होते हैं वो राउंड शेप स्ट्रक्चर होता है उनके पैरों का. सो उस टाइप के स्ट्रक्चर्स को हम हूफ बोलते हैं. दैट इज़ जब हम एक की बात कर रहे होते हैं. नाउ वी वांट अ प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ दिस, सो दैट विल बी hooves, HOOVES. So this is how we are going to convert the singular form into plural forms and plurals to singular, vice versa. You are supposed to do this exercise as such in your book.